Alright, so the keys to nailing this trick are making sure that you have a good butterfly pattern right here. It's very important. And by taking it up high by your head, so a nice wall plane butterfly by your head, your hands are tucked. When you come over here though, you are now doing the same butterfly over here. So try and get this down. Took me a while to nail this, but with practice you will get it. So basically how I'm doing it is I'm going into a butterfly up here, coming over here, holding it. I'm doing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on until you can just do 1, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, you know? So you got more time to transition, but once you get pretty good at that, start trying to do it with just 1. So you can also do this the other way. So yeah, try and keep it on a wall plane. I like to start in the middle, go to my right, because I'm better on my right, right? Alright. So the other part of this trick is these. So all this is really is split time. So it goes right, and then alright. So to do these, just go like this. You're really gonna just be going boom, boom. Start by practicing it like this and just get your arms, have your elbows attached, you know? Feels kind of weird, but the deal, just you're using your whole arm now. Now these are extensions, split time. So, and then it comes to here, goes to there, and there. Boom, 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 split time. Practice your split time, and then just getting into this, here, and then there. And back to split time, and then practice over here, and practice over here until you can do it every which way, you know? So, it's kind of like you're threading the needle here. It's really, So yeah, like I was saying with threading the needle, when you're coming to this side, this poison front, when you're crossing over, it's kind of like you're threading the needle. It's kind of like you cross over, right? So watch. Watch how I do this. So they're together, right?
Now, here's where I thread the needle, right? I go over and now back.
Right? If you're starting over here, you're threading that to come over here, right? Or you're threading. So right
here's where you're gonna be threading your needle, right there. See? But it's gonna be a